Learning to garden is a process, my friend. I want to tell you that up front from this very first moment. My first garden was just a simple wooden garden box. My children were toddlers, and I thought it would be a good way for us to spend more time together outside. And it might help my picky little toddlers try vegetables. Was it a success? Sort of. I didn't get a huge harvest, but a seed was planted in my heart at the same time as I was putting seeds in the garden soil. It would be years before I could really pursue gardening, but 10 years later and I'm back at it. And this time my garden is going really, really well. Looking back on my first attempts at gardening, I realized that I was going in with sort of a lackluster education. I really thought all I needed to do was plant some seeds and give it some water and food would grow, right? It turns out growing food is a little more complicated than that. And even though it is a process, you can figure it out because I did. And now I'm growing 80% of my family's vegetables right in our backyard. Here's what I want you to know. If I can do this, you can too. Growing food is a lot of fun, and I'd love to teach you how.